Hi, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Joy, and today's video is kind of different, because I'm going to be sharing with you guys a product haul. Like, as you can see from the title, I know you already know what I'm about to share with you guys, so keep watching and don't go anywhere. If you are new to this channel, like you're just seeing my face for the first time, you're welcome to this channel. My name is Joy, and this is Joy Be Natural, where I share a lot about natural hair care, DIYs, and everything you need to know about how to take care of your natural hair and grow your hair long and healthy. Please do subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Hit that subscribe button like right now, and also click that like button, like just that thumbs up you're seeing on your screen. Please just hit that like button, and thank you so much for doing that. So without so much talk, let's get into today's video. So I went shopping, really shopping. I just needed to get a few things. I've been meaning to get them for a while, like for a long time, but I've just been postponing, and I could easily get these things like very close to me, like where I live. So there's this brand, there's this lady. She's into hair care products. She just sells hair care products, whatever product you're looking for. She's the right plug to go to. So I found her on Instagram, and I kind of wanted to get a few things. Not that I really needed them, but I just wanted to try something. I just needed to try something else. So luckily for me, our shop is close by, is around where I stay. So I've been wanting to go there, but I still couldn't get the time to do that. So miraculously, there was a trade fair ongoing like for 2 days last weekend, and she was going to be showcasing her stuff in that trade fair. So I decided to go, even though I wasn't sure I was going to make it because I had other engagements on that day. But I decided to just pass by, and luckily for me, I got the few things that I wanted to get. So, and again, at a very, 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 very ridiculously cheap price. If I like a particular product, I don't mind the price, I will go ahead and get it. But at the same time, I like to, be on the low budget side, guys. So handle on Instagram is J Naturals, and this is how the package came. I've not opened, I know what is inside, but I've not kind of unwrapped them. Like, the price I would have bought it if I had gone to our shop earlier would have been a little bit higher than what I got. So lucky me. So the first thing I'm going to bring is nothing much, like just 3 items. I like to show this first. I got a spray bottle. Now guys, I have a spray bottle, right, that I've been using. Apart from the fact that I've been like itching to get this particular type or brand or whatever, like guys, my spray bottle, I left it in hot water. I wanted to heat up my clove spray or my oil, my clove spray. I wanted to heat it up and I left it there. So the bottle kind of got swollen underneath, and it cannot stand on its own now. So it's condemned, like guys, it's condemned. So it was the perfect time for me to get this type of spray bottle that I've been wanting to get for a very long time. I just didn't see the need since I already had spray bottle, but since I found out that she was selling this type, I decided to get it. And guys, this was very cheap. I got this at guys, guess 500 naira. So if I had gone to our shop to get this, I would have got it at, I think she was advertising this on Instagram at, I think, 1,000 naira or 700 naira, thereabouts. But I got this at 500 naira at the trade fair. 500 naira. And I kind of love this brand of spray bottle, this type of spray bottle, because I don't know why, but it's portable, it's strong. Yeah, the spray on this side is strong and it's durable. The bottle is is durable. I know it's going to last me a long time, and I'm going to make sure this time around I don't leave it on in the hot water for a long time or on my stove. So I got this spray bottle. So the next thing I got, like guys, you guys know that to deep condition my hair, if you've been watching my videos, I use a plastic bag to, you know, something like this on the lighter side to kind of wrap my hair when I apply my mask or my deep conditioner. I use it to cover my hair so that to get that heat. But I've been wanting to get this for the longest time. Like, I just feel my hair is so low porosity. Like, if there's anything called extra low porosity, if there's anything higher than low porosity, I will have just mentioned that. Like, my hair takes a lot of time for product to infuse, like to really penetrate into my hair strands. So most of the time I use a plastic bag. I, you know, kind of have to wait for hours to really get that product soaked into my hair. So I've been meaning to get this. Like guys, this is a steam cap and I'm just opening it. I've actually gotten these tools for like a few days back, like up to 3 days back. So, but I didn't open it because I wanted to unwrap this with you guys. So I hope you are enjoying this video, and if you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. Please engage with me in the comment section. Back to what we were talking about. I got my steam cap at last. I don't know why I'm so excited. Like guys, the plastic bag does great, but it's for my hair type. Like maybe other hair types, it's to really do the work for you, but for my hair type, it's becoming difficult to. I want products to get into my hair like real good. And now in this season, with my work, with my business, I don't really have the time to, like, as you can see guys, my hair is covered. I've not made my hair. I've been so busy. I just need something that can keep a conditioner, something I can use to condition my hair, and I'll just leave it for maximum of 30 minutes, like 30 minutes, and it's only a steamer that can do that for you. A plastic bag for my hair type cannot do that for me. So I decided to get this because, again, it was a trade fair and the price was cheap. Like, I would have gotten it for 3,500 if I had gone to a shop, but because it was a trade fair, I got it at 2,500 naira only. Like guys, please tell me now, it's a good deal. It's a good deal. So I'm going to leave a handle in the description box or in the screen so that you can check her out on Instagram. She ships worldwide. She sells different kind of, just check her Instagram and you see everything that she has. So I really love that our things are not that expensive. This is how it looks like on the inside. It has something like a metal or foil or something, I don't know, inside this. Yeah, this is what it looks like guys. So I've not used it, like as you can see, I'm just unboxing it, I'm just unwrapping it rather, and this is like it's connected to this, so I'll just plug it, and I guess this is like some settings. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's not showing guys, so what it says is high, low and off. Okay, I think it's showing now. Okay, I think it's showing right like this. So we have the high, low, and off. So I think this is where the light is going to come up when you plug this. So I'm going to make a video on how I use this. Hopefully my expectations are not cut off. So it also has like a drawstring that you can use to, I guess, fit it into your head size, because of course this thing is large. Nobody's head is this big. Nobody's head is this big, so I guess you just pull down on the string to adjust it to your head size, rather. And it also has a zipper around there. I don't know what this is for. I'm going to get a hang of it and see how this is being used. But as you can see, I get this, so I'm excited. Hopefully this will get all my products infused faster for me, like, so that I just have a wash day that is not so prolonged, not so long. Just deep condition within 30 minutes, or I want to pre-poo, just pre-poo within 10 minutes and I'm done. Like, time saver. Like, I hope it does a good job for me. So like I said, I've not used this before. This is my first time and I hope it's okay. So yeah, once again, this is my hair steamer cap from J Naturals. Funny enough, Instagram handle is almost, the name is almost, they almost look alike, so I guess her name is Joy. I don't know. So that is that. The next and final thing I got from her is this. You see what is written there? Mega Growth Perfective Mega Growth Deep Conditioner. Yeah, why did I get this, right? Okay, so like I said, I'm going to be doing a lot of product review. Not a lot, just a few, maybe a few that I feel like trying out. So I'm going to be trying out, like you guys know, I'm always DIYing all my products, all my stuff that I use for my hair. But I want to try as much as possible to review some products, especially brands that are not so expensive. Like, guys, I cannot deal with that. So I've been hearing all about Mega Growth, like everybody's raving about Mega Growth. So I decided to give the deep conditioner a try, because the review on the deep conditioner has been very great, like so far, from the few YouTubers I've seen use this. And also, regardless of the lady on the something with the straight hair, those that have used it are 4C, 4A, 4B, 4C natural hair YouTubers. So I'd like to look at those texture of hair and follow them, because that is my own texture of hair. So I decided to get this just to give it a try and see how it does. And I've also mentioned this in my channel, like, I've not gotten an actual deep conditioner. This is the first time I'm getting a deep conditioner, like where it says deep conditioner. I have I've gotten a protein treatment before, like that's the hair mayonnaise. I've used it on my wash day video. You can check my wash day video in my playlist. I've used the, okay, that's the only protein treatment I've used. That is the hair mayonnaise from something organics, something like that. So that is all I wanted to share with you guys. The few things that I got, I just decided to share it with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please kindly subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so, especially if you're new on this channel. Please kindly go a step further by clicking the subscribe button down on your interface, and also that thumbs up you see on your screen. Please hit that like button and like this video. Also share it with your family and friends. You know, I'd like to get feedbacks from you guys, you know, concerning the items I just showed you guys. I'd like to know if it worked any better for you, especially the deep conditioner. Like guys, if you have used the Mega Grow deep conditioner before, I'd like to know if it worked any better for you, how it felt, and especially if you're low porosity, if it really did the job that it says it does. So I like to get the feedback from you guys. And also the steaming cap, if you've used it before, please drop it in the comment section. Let me know if it really did a good job for you. And also if you're low porosity like me, let me know if it really infused those products into your hair. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.